What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a closure quick weave. I haven't done one of these in a while, so of course when my homegirl Kayla came and she was like, I want to close your quick weave, I'm like, okay girl, we are filming this because this process really takes some time. Okay, it don't take that much time, but of course it takes longer than a regular quick weave because we add in the closure. So I'm gonna start off by bleaching the knots. Before I even touch Kayla's hair, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots on the closure so that I can be processing while I wash and blow dry her hair. She got this hair off of Amazon. I'm not really sure of the vendor. I'm gonna have to look back like while I'm doing this voiceover, so I can tell y'all what the vendor was. Now the hair itself wasn't bad, but the closure, I was plucking for dear life. Okay, the closure, oh my god. But I mean, what do I expect? It's an Amazon closure. Yeah. So if you're doing this, I'm gonna be honest with you, I've had better hair store closures than I have closures from Amazon. So you could find a nice HD 5x5 or 4x4 closure at the hair store. And you can also find some good ones on Amazon, but the one that we had just wasn't working out. I would tell y'all, go look at Kayla's video on TikTok. If you follow my TikTok, she's pinned at the top, and then go to her page and she did a review on this hair. The hair itself was fine. The closure just took a little bit of work, okay? I was plucking for dear life, and I'm gonna show y'all that here in a second. Y'all can see a second ago, I was showing her the closure like, girl, look at this closure. And she like, well, girl, what you finna do? I'm like, girl. She's like, but you're a magician. I know you could take care of it. And that I did. Okay, so just stay tuned, stay locked in so you can see the end of this video. I am using the Wonder Wrap, like, I don't know why I got tripped up just now, y'all. It's Wonder Weave, casing. I don't know. I don't know why I'm getting so tripped up about this. It's the solution that you use to put on with the quick weave. So I left a space for her closure, and as you can see right now, I'm plucking for dear life on this closure because it came like a straight line. The knots didn't really bleach. The hairline was so close together. Like the front part of the hairline was so sparse, and then it had boom, this harsh line to get to the rest of the hair. I'm like, oh my god, I gotta break this up or else she's gonna look crazy. And so that's what I was doing. I was plucking that thing out. But I put the solution on. I left a space for the closure. As you can see, I did rubber band the cap together because I wanted this to be super flat. And sometimes that cap can leave like a little bit of like saggage. We don't want that. So just go ahead and, you know, sometimes I have to rubber band the cap together, put the solution over it, and honestly just glue on top of it just to give it a more flat look. So I am about to prepare to put this closure on. So I use a regular cap instead of a black cap because of course we want to give scalp at the top for the actual closure. I am laying the tracks right now. I think she got like I don't know if she got 3 12s or 12 14. Y'all, I really don't remember. Like this video was filmed a couple weeks ago. She don't even got this hairstyle no more. But if you go to her TikTok page, I'm gonna have to put that in the comment box. If you go to her TikTok page, she has the hair linked, and she did do a review on the hair. So because we're doing a blunt cut bob, I'm flat ironing the tracks as I'm laying them because I don't want to have to keep going back, or I don't want to have to go through the whole head at the end. So I am laying tracks and flat ironing them at the same time, just so when I get done at the top of laying tracks, because I've already flat ironed everything, I can just go back and do the cut. You know, I don't have to worry about flat ironing everything because I've already done it. For the closure, I'm laying the adhesive on the front, making sure, you know, it dries. We did 3 layers, and then I'm just gluing the back part down. I'm not sewing it, I'm gluing it because this is a quick weave, and when she's ready to take this off, I want her to be able to go ahead and take this off her head. Okay, excuse Kayla, she's tired. She does work in nightlife, so she was yawning a lot in this video, but it's because she was tired, which is understandable considering she didn't get that much sleep the night before. All right, so now we're just gonna lay this closure as if it was a wig. You know, we're just gonna go ahead and mold that thing down. and I'm gonna tie her down, and I'm gonna continue laying these tracks at the back. So I am, you know, laying these tracks. I think I used like 2.5 bundles. No, maybe I used a bundle and a half. Again, we're doing a bob, so you don't need that much hair. Like, you don't want it to be bulky. You want it to give flat and natural bob. But I flat ironed this thing. I plucked for dear life. I made sure it was flat. And yeah, you about to see me take them clippers and cut that bob, okay? Now, if you haven't cut a bob with clippers before, if you haven't cut a bob at all, I'm gonna give you a little tip. Cut that bob, right, with their head facing straight, and then when you get done doing that, have them tilt their head down, because then you're gonna see all the excess hair you need to cut to the guide that you originally cut when their head was straight. And you'll see me do this here in just a second. I'm gonna cut straight across with her head forward, and then when I have her tilt down, I go back and get that excess hair that's underneath that I wasn't able to get, you know, from the straight cut. Hot comb is a must. Wax stick is a must. And them tweezers to pluck out that part is a must. Because again, this closure did not pluck that well. It didn't bleach that well. So because it didn't bleach that well, I had to create a clear part in her head, just to disguise from the fact that the knots really didn't bleach that well. But you know what? Like she said, I'm a magician, babes. So we're going to get it done. We're going to get it done. We're going to get it done. As usual, thank you all so much for tuning into this channel, watching this video. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. Any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and drop them down below. I will be sure to get back to you. And you know, y'all know how I feel. I love y'all. I appreciate every view that my videos get. I am proud to announce that I have become monetized on YouTube. I'm very proud of myself. I've been consistent for months on end. So if you are interested in getting monetized on YouTube, baby, pump that content out, okay? Put yourself on a consistent schedule and pump it out. Okay, my consistent schedule is every Sunday at noon. You can expect to see a video drop from the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. And if I missed a video, maybe I'm on vacation or something. I don't know. But that ain't true, because, you know, you're supposed to film, and stack. And that way, when you do go on vacation, you got a video to drop. All right, y'all. I've been talking y'all head off for real. Watch to the end of this video. Again, thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And matter of fact, just tell me hey in the comment. I'm going to tell you hey back. Okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. And I will see you all again. Not see y'all. I'll be talking to y'all again next week. Okay? Make sure you hit that subscribe button to see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. All right, y'all. Peace.